my life was on the line. I tell y'all that all the time. I could not. So to get these curls pre-done like that, gorgeous. They've also included tons of these everything tabs that I use on all of my wigs. I'll show it to you in the wig though. Everything has been pre-done for me. Okay, so as someone who can't comb hair, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, this is gonna be gorgeous. What I'm by Beautyforever, and like every wig I get from Beautyforever, y'all know I'm in love. I told y'all that I'm always looking for three things. Affordability, we knew that this wig was super affordable. And beginner friendliness. I mean, y'all know I can't comb hair. All I had to do was put this wig on my head, brush out these curls, and this is what we got. And as far as quality, I can honestly speak for the quality on these Beautyforever wigs. I wear them in my clothing hauls. That's how much I love them, because the quality is superb, and these are most of the wigs that I end up keeping. I'm just in love with this. I could never get these curls. I could never do any of this on my own. So I love the fact that Beautyforever sells these pre-everything wigs. So I can definitely recommend this one. If you don't want a body wave, know that they make this wig in a loose wave, a yaki straight, any water wave. But like, there are just so many different textures, lengths, colors.